guys, these big content creators, they hide updates anyhow.
Now what for you, bro?
I didn't know this is how easy it is for them to produce comedy skits now. From writing the story, shooting and editing, it's so easy. No wonder they post back to back like water. Kai! Now, there is a skit on my page right now that was created in less than 1 hour with just my phone, one camera, and my friends. See, try watch this video to the end though, because I will show you step by step how I did it and you can do it too. According to ChatGPT, a proper film production needs to follow these 5 structure steps: ideas and development, pre-production, production, post-production, distribution, and marketing. Idea and development. At least you should have a basic idea how your skit should look like now, Abi.
I don't know.
But for me, I just enter as the thing in my head and I tell ChatGPT to do his thing. His thing. Her thing. Wait, to ChatGPT na man or na woman? Voila!
Everywhere, man.
I got a fully developed script with the setup, dialogue, everything I need to shoot the skit. I just did a little tweak to suit my valuable resources and I was ready to go to the pre-production stage. This is the stage for casting actors, assembling the crew, finding locations, designing set and costume, storyboarding, and scheduling your shoot. Because my skit was a simple one, I was able to do everything myself with a little help from my friends. Even self, I was a good guy and a bad guy in the film. Next, production, which is the filming. Without wasting time, straight to shooting. I reorganized my script in a way that everything I need from each scene is in one place. Dialogue, costume, props, and every other thing. This helped me stay organized and not miss anything. Post-production, guys, now here CapCut finish work. Cho! See guys, as a content creator that wants to get your content out as quick as possible, if speed of creation is your goal, don't sleep on CapCut and Filmora or you both finish work for this app. In less than 30 to 45 minutes of editing, guy, my skits don't take shape. I just added all the things to make it look great. Background sound, sound effect, special effect like cloning myself. As you see, and so I did everything, guys, in CapCut. Next, distribution and marketing. To be honest, I don't have any marketing plan. I don't have any distribution plan. I took a day or two off to bring a fresh eye on the project and I was ready to post. And trust me, I love what I did.